How to get women to chase you. Is it easy or difficult? Most men spend their lives chasing women, and in the process, they lose themselves. But what if I told you there's a single Stoic rule that flips the game completely? A rule that makes women chase you. Forget pickup lines, forget fake confidence. This is the ancient truth men have ignored for centuries. Let's dive in. 1. Why chasing never works. Men are conditioned to chase. Movies, culture, even friends tell you, if you want her, go get her. But let me ask you, has chasing ever truly worked for you? When you chase, you're signaling lack. You're telling her she's the prize and you're the beggar. And when someone senses desperation, what do? They run. Here's the paradox. The more you pursue, the further she slips away. The more you chase validation, the less respect you earn. So the first question you must ask yourself is, why am I seeking from her what I should already carry within myself? And this brings us to the foundation of Stoicism, the rule that changes everything. 2. The Stoic Rule. Control only yourself. The Stoics had one unshakable truth. You control only yourself, never others. What does this mean in love? It means you don't chase, persuade, or beg for affection. You master your own mind, your emotions, your actions. When a man radiates control over himself, his temper, his desires, his direction, he becomes magnetic. He doesn't run after her because his life already has purpose. But what happens when you stop chasing? Something powerful takes place. 3. The law of attraction through indifference. True indifference, not fake coldness, is irresistible. When you're not seeking her approval, she wonders, why doesn't he need me to validate him? Why is he so calm? This curiosity flips the script. Now she's the one questioning, observing, wanting to prove herself to you. Women instinctively chase certainty, and nothing is more certain than a man who stands still while the world moves around him. But you can't reach this state without first removing the very thing that destroys men. 4. Detach from outcome. Most men live in fear of rejection. They want guarantees. But Stoicism teaches, outcomes are beyond your control. If she likes you, good. If she doesn't, also good, because your worth was never tied to her reaction. This detachment makes you untouchable. Suddenly, she feels the weight of your independence. She sees a man who could walk away at any moment. And paradoxically, that's the man she wants most. Still, there's one more thing that seals the deal: your mission. 5. Purpose over pleasure. A man without purpose will always chase women. A man with purpose, women chase him. Stoicism urges you to live according to reason and virtue, not lust, not fleeting pleasures. When you dedicate yourself to growth, discipline, and mastery, your very lifestyle becomes attractive. She doesn't want to be the reason you live. She wants to join a man who already lives fully. But purpose alone isn't enough. You must also embody the right energy. 6. Calm confidence, the silent power. Confidence isn't loud. It doesn't need to brag. It's the calm steadiness that says, I don't need you. I choose you. This is the Stoic man, unshaken by rejection, unmoved by games. When she tests you, you don't react with anger or insecurity. You remain centered. And that silent power, that's what makes women chase you, not because you try, but because you don't. So let's put all of this together into the Stoic Rule of Attraction. 7. The Stoic Rule in action. The rule is simple but unbreakable. Master yourself. Never chase others. When you live by this, chasing stops. You're no longer the hunter, you're the mountain. And mountains are not pursued. They are approached, admired, and respected. The more you embody this rule, the more women notice, without you lifting a finger. And remember, if you must chase her, she was never truly yours. So here's the truth. Attraction is not about tricks, games, or chasing. It's about becoming so self-controlled, so grounded, that women naturally move toward you. Stop running. Become the Stoic man who never begs, and watch how the world and women come to you. If this message hit home, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom and share this with a man who needs to hear it.